Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys what's on my little snack cart. I got this cart off Amazon. I'll have the link down below if you guys are interested. By the way, I'm filming on my iPhone 13, so the quality might be a little different than my usual videos. But yeah, so this cart I got from Amazon. As I explained before, it's just pink, has 3 tiers. So the first little section, I keep my 2 lunch boxes for work. I have this reusable bag that I got, which I'm gonna start using for like groceries and stuff. I keep my sodas on top of here. One's missing, as you can tell. We have some Mountain Dew and some Coke. And then down here, I just keep little, some little bites, like muffins and brownies, and then some snacks and chips. So this is like my little snack section. I got some Doritos, some Ritz Bits, some Oreos, some hot fries, and then down here I keep like gum and candy type things, some fruit snacks down below. I have some jelly beans back there, gum, icebreakers, Pez, random stuff. So yeah, this cart is very useful because it just fits in my corner. I was gonna use it for skincare, but food sounded more appealing. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's little video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.